Grabe, nag-deal ka namin of another typhoon. Another set of problems. Granted, we're all safe.
Safe, yes. Pero tindahan ko, lubog sa baha. Ay, lasa pa mga stock mo sa Romy. Safe here. Repair to zero. This is expensive. Roads are flooded. Paano kami mga kainan mo? Kaya natin to. Once, we face risks before, di ba? If we work together, makakabangon tayo ulit.
Easy for you to say, Lara. You're a student. Kami, we have learned every day just to survive.
Pero Miguel, Lara is right. Unity is what keeps us going. Look at how we each other during the pandemic.
Oo, ma.
I realize abroad, kahit gano'n kayo man ang kalsa, basta hindi magkalsa mga tao, walang progression.
Hello mga kabayan! Dito ako sa barangay San Isidro. And grabe, the Filipino spirit is alive! Everyone's happy!
Okay? Ako ba sa bibig? Pero, just try it.
Exactly, that's why I'm party with you. We need to start now. One minute at a time! Aba, sikat na naman tayo dyan. Pero totoo yan, kahit maliit ng tulong ating bagay yan. Tama, kahit isa-isa na mga bagay. Sabay-sabay, di ba? Malapit ko rin yan.
Pero aminin natin, mahirap magkaisa. Everyone blames each other. Government, citizen, even influencers does.
But division never solved anything. Instead of blaming, we should start cooperating.
Exactly. Ang unity, hindi na salita. It's action. Being peaceful, having neighbors, and following rules.
And respecting differences. Kahit makaiba tayo ng balo, tayo pa rin tayo.
When I came home, I thought I'd find peace. Pero ang gulo ng social media, away dito, bardagulan doon. Sana, hindi kayo nakinig sa isa't isa.
Alam mo, Carlo, maybe it's time we should use social media to unite, not divide. It's like a faithless friendship. Oh, Miguel, ito. Kung gusto mo mag-ride sa tayo, simulan natin sa paglilinis ng paligid.
Sige, para sa bayan.
Tara! Sabay tayo! Walang iwanan! This is what unity looks like. Mga kabataan, mga tricycle driver, frontliners, OFWs, lahat nagtutulungan. Parang Team Philippines. Kahit iba-iba, dapat kong laban.
Alam nyo, this is what makes us Filipino. Resilient, compassionate, and united.
Hindi importante kung mayaman o mahirap. Basta may puso. And a little teamwork and Wi-Fi, of course.
Let's promise to keep this spirit alive. Sa kabila ng crisis, politiko, o problema, magkaisa tayo.
Because true change begins when we all unite as one nation.
Isang bayan, isang diwa, isang Pilipinas!
In every challenge our country faces, disasters, inflation, or division, our greatest weapon remains unity. When Filipinos stand together, no storm can wash away our hope, and no crisis can break our spirit.